Hello everyone, we meet again. Now we still study comparing and ordering numbers. Part 2. Today is part 2. Now, let's review. Last math time we already studied about comparing and ordering numbers. So you study about which number is greater than, which number is smaller than, which number is the greatest, and which number is the smallest. And of course, you already studied how to arrange them from the smallest to the greatest or from the greatest to the smallest. Now, what are we studying about today? There are 3 points that Miss want to teach you today. Number 1, we will study about number line. So, we can also use number line to compare numbers. Number line can be used to compare numbers. The second, we will study again about odd and even number. So, you can identify a number whether it is odd number or even number. Okay, and the last, we will study how to form a number. So, we form the number from the smallest form the smallest or the greatest 4-digit number. And of course, sometimes the question will be the smallest odd number or the greatest even number, the greatest odd number. Okay, don't be worried. Miss will try to explain one by one to you through this video. Okay, friends, you can read your textbook page 20 to help you understand today's lesson, especially for number line. Okay, now let's start. About number line. Normally number line, if we go to the right, the number will be greater number. If we go to the left, the number will be smaller number. Okay, look at this number line. This is example 1 I give to you. So the question is, which is smaller, 745 or 748? First, look at the number line. From the left to the right, you see the number is 740, 741, 742, 743, and so on until 750. So, the number line starts from the left to the right. And look at the two numbers I point. On the left side is 745, right? On the right side is 748. So, 748 is greater than 745 because 748 the position on the right, okay? And then 745 is smaller than 748. So, the question, which is smaller? Of course, the number which position is on the left, 745. Now we go to the next number line. Actually, this is the same, but I just give you 2 examples, okay? Now, look at this number line, which is greater. The first number on the left is 820. The second number on the right side is 870. The number line starts from the left to the right. From 800, count up until 900. So 870, of course, is greater than 820. Or we can say 820 is smaller than 870. The question asks about which is greater. Of course, the number which position is on the right side, 870. Okay, that's about number line. If you look at your textbook page 20, the basic concept is the same, but the example on your textbook page 20 use 4-digit numbers, thousand. Okay. Now the second we will study about odd and even number. Okay. What is odd number? What is even number? The first, we talk about odd number. Odd number, all numbers which cannot be divided exactly by 2. Even number? Even number can be divided exactly by 2. Okay, to explain more about this odd number and even number, let's go to the next slide. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, how many dinosaurs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So there are 6 dinosaurs. Let's divide these dinosaurs become 2 groups. Okay? There are 6, right? So we count. 1, I put here. 2, I put here. 3 on the same group with the first one. 4, and then 5, 6. Okay. So we have 3 dinosaurs in group A, and we have also 3 dinosaurs in group B. We can divide 6 dinosaurs exactly by 2 groups, right? So the number 6 is even number because 6 can be divided exactly by 2. Okay? And then cannot divide it by 2. Okay. How many dinosaurs? 5 dinosaurs. Let's divide these dinosaurs. 5 become 2 groups. So I put 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now look at group A. How many dinosaurs? 3. Group B, 2 dinosaurs. Not the same, right? Group A have 3, group B have 2. So the number 5 cannot divide it exactly by 2. The number 5 is odd number. So, odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if you want to identify this 4-digit number is odd number or even number, you just look at the last digit or at the ones place. If the ones place is 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, so the number is an odd number. Even numbers. Even numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, so you just look at the last digit 2. If the last digit is 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, so they are even number. Now, the last. We will study how to form a 4-digit number. Now, open your textbook page 22, guided practice number 5. The question is, what is the smallest 4-digit odd number that can be formed using 5, 2, 3, and 6? So, look at the question. The smallest odd number, and we must use 5, 2, 3, and 6. Okay. The smallest 4-digit odd numbers. So we have 4 place here for thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. We must use 5, 2, 3, and 6. Only these 4 numbers, okay? We arrange it become 4-digit. Okay. The question asks about the smallest. So, the first digit, the thousands place, we must put the smallest number here. 5, 2, 3, and 6. Which one is the smallest number? Of course, 2. So we put 2 here. Okay. And next, we go to the hundreds place. We must put here the second smallest number. Okay, after 2, which number is the smallest after 2? 5, 3, or 6? Of course, 3. So we put 3 here. Okay. Okay, don't go to the tens place first. Read the question up. The smallest 4-digit odd number. Remember, odd number ends with 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9. So, we must put the number at the last digit first. So, if we want to make it, if we want to form an odd number, we must put 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9, right? Look at your numbers. You already used 2. You already used 3. So, the left number is only 5 and 6. Which one I must put at the last to make it odd number? 5 or 6? 5. So I put 5 here. And we only have 6, the last number left, right? So I just put here 6. Okay. We already have the number, the smallest 4-digit odd number from 5, 2, 3, and 6. The number is 2365. Okay, practice makes perfect. So, now we have the project again. Do your workbook page 18 until 20. Still about comparing and ordering numbers, okay? And remember, if you haven't got your workbook, please ask Miss Yana via WhatsApp to get practice 5 PDF file so you can do it in your Gramebook. Just write your answers in your Gramebook. Understand? But if you already got your workbook, just do in your workbook. It's okay. The deadline? Still next math time, okay? So not today, but next math time. Okay, thanks. Thank you very much, friends. If you have any questions, just contact me, Shana. This is my WhatsApp number, okay? And this presentation template was created by Slides Go. You see, the slides is very interactive. Dinosaur. I wish that you can enjoy study math today. Okay, let's do your project, guys. See you.